In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect a Porkbun domain to Render. This is going to be a very simple and easy to understand tutorial, so let's jump into it. So on Render, once you're on the dashboard and projects, you then should see the project you want to connect the custom domain to. I've already deployed my GitHub project, so if we just click on the project, which is called To Do, then we go to To Do site. Here is the project. We're currently using just the standard URL that we get given by Render. If I just go ahead and copy it and paste it in, you'll be able to see it's just a very simple to-do list website. And we're going to connect the custom domain from Porkbun to Render. So once you're inside of the project, go to settings at the top left, and then scroll pretty much all the way down to the bottom. You'll then get to custom domains. What you can do from here is click add a custom domain, and you can then enter in your domain from Porkbun. So my domain is knowledgebasetutorial.com. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy it. So here it is. We're then going to type in www. And then we'll paste in the rest of the domain, knowledgebasetutorial.com. Then we'll click save. And now what we need to do is add 2 DNS records inside of the backend of your domain on Porkbun. So how do we do that? Well, we go to our domain, we hover over it, we then click DNS. Click on DNS and it's then going to open up this window where you can add custom records. Now what you want to do is delete any current custom records which might be there. So I'm going to click the trash can icon on this one and the trash can icon on this one. Now we're going to add the custom records that Render needs us to add. So for the first record, that is going to be a CNAME record, record for www, pointing to this value here. So we're going to copy this and just remember CNAME www. Go to Porkbun, type, we're looking for CNAME, this one, host www, and then for the value, you want to go ahead and paste in this here that you've copied from Render. Then once you've entered that incorrectly, click on add, and then in a second you'll see that value has been added. Okay, so now let's go ahead and add the second record. The second record, we need to add an a name or an alias record pointing to this value. So we'll copy this value and we'll look for a name or alias. So in Porkbun, we'll go to the record again, and we're looking for a name or alias. As you can see, we've got alias here, so we'll run with that. Click on alias, and then we're going to leave this blank, and we'll just paste in this value here from Render. Then we'll click add, and it then should add this record as well. So there you go, alias. So it should look something like this once you've done. You should have 2 records. And once you've added those, you can go ahead and click verify on both of these. Now it may verify straight away, but it can take up to 48 hours. In my experience, it only takes around 20 minutes usually. If it's not verified in 2 hours, I would go ahead and double check your records here. But if it's not verified and you've done everything correct, it can take up to 48. Once you've clicked verify a couple of times, once you've waited, it might be working. You are going to have to wait a bit longer for the certificate to go to verified as well, but it will do in due time. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this URL or this domain, and we'll go to incognito on the browser and we'll see if it's working. So there you go, that one is working fine. And we'll just copy the root domain as well. Copy, see if this is working too. And there you go, that one's working as well. So that was pretty easy, right? I hope that video helped you out. Go ahead and leave a like and comment if it did.